Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa, I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I have an unboxing of the September kit, which is called My Happy Place. So as always, when I do these unboxings, I'm not going to open everything, I'm just going to give you a little look of what's inside, and I won't open the packages so that you do get a surprise when they arrive, or rather when the kit arrives. But this is what the September kit looks like. There will be a mini magazine in the front there with DIYs and things like that, ideas on how to use the kit, and this is what the kit will look like when you open it. I'm going to start off with this clip. The whole theme of the kit this month, by the way, is all about feeling cozy, finding your happy place. Where is your happy place? And all about just like the cozy autumn feels. So there's lots of different elements to this kit. The clip here, the cute planner kit clip, is actually supposed to be a sugar cookie. It's really cute. We could say that one's strawberry, couldn't we? And we've got the little sprinkles on the top. Really, really sweet. And because I try to make everything usable, you can reuse this tag, reuse the washi tab. You could put like a photo on there, pop it in your planner. Something like that would look really, really cute. I do have an idea on how to use this clip, not just in your planners, and I will show you after I've done the unboxing. We have a notepad for this month. It's this week, with the days of the week down there. Use it however you want. I've popped a magnet on the back, and mine is on the fridge right now for my weekly menu planning, but obviously you could use it for exercise, for a homework schedule, cleaning schedule, your daily to-dos, bit of shopping, anything like that. It's a really nice notepad. Love this. This is a bit of a DIY this month. Do with it whatever you wish. I'm going to pop mine in my journal. I think I might take the peg off and just do a really cute little journal tag with a story. It could be added to a mini book, it could be added to a scrapbooking page, you could pop it in your planner. I just think it's really, really cute. Really happy with that little mini envelope. We have got washi tape. We're collaborating with Little Rainbow Moon. Can you see that? Isn't that sweet? I just love the idea of being able to cut out sections of the washi. The washi is all made up of Joe's original artwork, so it's not something that you would be able to buy in a store. It's something very unique to Little Rainbow Moon. We've got the treat bag. You know that there's always a treat bag in every kit. It's full of bits and pieces, and I'll leave that as a surprise for you. We have die cuts from Happy Scatter. I'll give you a quick look at what we've got here. I think I've actually used some on a project already. Let me find a pack where I haven't been using them. There we go. I get through so many each month. I absolutely love them. There we go. We've got a little house. There's lots more in this one because I've been using the others. A wreath, books. We've got little banners. Got light bulb, smile, date. There's arrows. There's a cute tag. I love these. I think these are my favourite. Let me know which of the die cuts are your favourite. Do you have any particular flavours, favourites? There's an arrow. I love this one as well. Home and happy. There's hearts. There's just so many bits. There's little plants in there, little mugs. You can see how much is in there. Absolutely loads. Cute coffee mugs, feeling cozy. Love this. Also another treat bag there with bits and pieces in, and this month we've got some extra stickers, which I love. They're round stickers, also from Happy Scatter. You've also got a lollipop, and you've also got, I just realized we haven't actually received the Mrs. Brimble stickers as I film this. They are still to come as well. And then we've got a paper pack. We've got 2 of this week. You can also download these for free. We've got the October calendar, and then we've got the papers as well. There's an extra one there. We've got 2 of each design, really sturdy papers. I've painted that one myself for you, and then we've got this one too. I really hope you like this kit. I've tried to keep as many surprises as possible. I didn't want you seeing everything, and obviously you've still got the planner stickers, or sorry, And obviously you've still got the stickers as well, so you've got a lovely, lovely kit there. I will link up the kit below so you can go and take a look. Subscriptions run until the 16th of September, and there's also one-off kits available that you can buy. I also wanted to show you the planner add-on kit and also the Halloween kit. So this is the planner kit. You get the pages, which come packed like this. They're A5 pages. And you've also got A6 pages. I will leave the video link below of when I actually made up my planner so you can have a look. But you've got all the planning pages for the whole month ahead. That's for October. And using the kit, because the two work so well together, I actually made a dashboard, which again is in the video, and I've also made a dashboard this side using the notepad and papers. That's the planner set. Along with that, you get October stickers, you get a postcard, you get an embellishment postcard to cut up, and you also receive the cutest cupcake planner clip, the pumpkin clip. I think it's so cute, really, really cute. That's where you get all of that for $8.95, and that includes UK delivery. I do like sharing with you things I've made with the kit. I wanted to share this page here. I've popped the planner clip here at the top, and I do have a video coming up very soon of how I made that page. So I will wait and share that properly with you in a few days' time. For add-ons, there's a few add-ons available this month. There'll be like the planner stickers, there'll be extra bits and pieces from the kit. But I also wanted to share this stencil with you. It's called Falling Leaves, as you can see there. And you can buy this as an added extra. I will link up that below for you so you can go and see. And then this is the Halloween kit. This is a special limited edition kit, which you can now buy here. I will leave the link below so you can go and take a look, and you get everything that I'm showing here. There's a pack of tags, mini envelope, you've got stickers, you've got this really cute felt hand stitched leaf embellishment, you've got extra stickers, you've got the die cuts, you've got ribbon, you've got flair, there's tags, you've got this other cute planner clip, the pumpkin. You've got so much here. I'll leave the link below if you would like to buy one. There's only a limited amount available, and these get shipped on the 17th of September along with the September kits. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and you've enjoyed seeing everything that I've got here to show you today. Please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Please share with anyone who you think would love an autumn themed and Halloween themed kit. I would really, really appreciate that. And please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're getting one of the kits so I can say hello and thank you. And let me know what your favorite item is. I love the Halloween. I think out of everything today, I've got a thing for this Halloween kit and I cannot wait to use it. Thank you so much for watching. Really, really appreciate it. And I will see you very soon. Bye.